one motor. The motor spins a little bit in there, all screws together, the pin goes through there. And look at the mess. And the pin spins this, and that in turn, worm drive spins this, and that's going to change because this has, whether you can see it or not, the crack there. So this bit is the same for up and down for the two-way seat as it is for the 8-way seat. So we're going to have a crack at changing all of this, and there's a stopper at the end which goes in the end there. And these, as I said before, 1/4 inch heads, remember that. And here's one I made earlier. Well, no, I didn't, but you know what I mean. And yeah, they're a bit magnetic, so you can see all that crap that's stuck on there. I'm going to get another cloth now because I don't want to get steel filings or metal filings or metal whatever they are into my fingers when I'm assembling this. And even more importantly, I don't want to get metal shards into the casing. There's the little drive pin. There is actually a little hole in here. I don't know whether you can see or not. Can you see a little hole? There. Oh, hang on. Oh, come on, zoom in, you twit. Oh, right, let's try again. Can you see a little hole? Yeah, that's where you put the grease in. With a little greasy thingy, butteroni machine. Right, these are pressure molded onto the shaft. That's why they don't come out. I've got a set of 4 of these little picks. One's pointy like that, one's straight, one's got a hook on it, and one's got like some funny thing on it. For a couple of quid, definitely the best couple of quid on tools that I spent that day. Yeah, so that thing comes off. That is just the shim that it rides in. This thing seems to be, oh, got a little pointy thing here to point it with. Right, hopefully you can see it, but if you can't, it's plastic, but the plastic's been welded or glued across there. So this will have to come off, and then I'm trying to get it off, hopefully. Ah, looks like it's got a knurled bit in there. inside there. Oh, come on. Yeah, it looks like there's a knurled bit inside there where it's stuck on. So I'm just going to slit it through there and pop it off. It's split all the way down. It's just not coming off. As you can probably see, the knurled bit is more visible now. That's probably what's holding it all in place, so it's not going to slide off. So yeah, this is not something you're going to be able to do in 5 minutes like I thought I would. Okay, just got to make sure I don't hit the car, which is literally right here. Right. See that? That's a little spirally like thingy. So we get this top off, and then we'll see what we can do. Obviously it will need a good clean afterwards, because it's full of crap. That was easy. So it looks like that bit at the top is just a bearing that's been pushed into the front of the shaft. Okay, let's get back when it's a little bit cleaner. As you can probably see, the hole here, the hole there, is the diameter of the shaft, and these bits on the top are surplus to requirements, so I'm going to get rid of them. More work. That's never going to do it. File might do though. Right.